Start now Active Directory server. I record both start directory and one that shows start here's above and this for the installation. Okay, we are starting the virtual machine. Okay, we can see the installation is going finishing. Now we do a reset. We start a remote virtual drive. Not awesome anymore. Okay, we just need it for password. Before we do anything, let's try to install the client guest. Okay, it's got the right network. Now let's gonna give him a static IP. But before that, let's install the client guest. Let's reboot. Now it's working. Let's do another CMD. IP thing. Now we'll set a static IP. Because remote control need a static IP address. Giving 10. Okay, amazing. Now let's edit one feature. Then we're gonna make this computer our Active Directory. That's great. Okay, now let's promote it to be in the main server. We start in new first called book.org. We start giving a password. And yes. Okay, now it says keep our password. We start how it's supposed to be. Wow. We start let's install. Yeah. We are finished. Okay. We are logging out. We start we start logged out. Okay. Now it will log me in as the administrator. And now we are logged in with domain admin. But this studies demonstration. I hope you have a good time. As you can see, this is our domain controller. Okay, see you next time.